Hello everyone, this is my second video review of the new Sony 6000 ES projector. I just want to say that the projector has a stunning video and atrocious fan noise. I'm going to go ahead and start it up now. As you can see, the picture is great. The fan noise should spin up here even louder. Can you imagine paying $12,000 for a projector in a $100,000 room and putting up with this level of fan noise? Now the fan noise will quiet down in a little bit, but not below that first initial recording. Sony, I hope you're taking note, because this is unacceptable. That's it.